very interesting, a lot of new things.
It was efficient, effective and informative.
I learned a lot, especially with the hands-on.
Why? Because really it's bring my skills, my knowledge, my level, it's to the next level based on just a couple of days.
It was very intensive.
The best thing is the meeting the faculty.
The discussions with the faculty and the case presentation.
Improving our knowledge and skill, and we are making more friends in the world, in whole world.
I was very impressive about their knowledge and their experience.
I learned a lot. It was fun too.
If we did on cadavers, it was very difficult to see the correct results.
If you make mistakes now, try to avoid it during surgery.
Practicals were really useful, especially on pedicle subtraction osteotomy.
You get the tools that will help you in the beginning of your career.
To better understand that there are a lot of solutions for the same case, but you should find very carefully the proper solution for your patient.
Is to see how the change of the deformity, how we correct the deformity.
So it's something I really plan to use in my everyday practice.
Would recommend it for sure.
Best course you can do in the beginning of your medical career.
I honestly recommend it to anybody who would like to deal with such things like spinal deformity.
It's also worth doing a second time this course.
Very educative.
Informative,
Yeah.
efficient and awesome.
It was very excellent.